Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Thank you for watching. Please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, please activate the notifications by clicking on the bell. Now, let's read some comments. Top comment from the last video. Our comment says, "So glad I stuck around to the end. Big smiley face." Thank you. I take it that you appreciate my dancing skills. I was thinking about creating a YouTube channel on dancing. I might just go for it. Ok, next comment. Pascal me dit: Hello John, très belle peinture, bravo et merci du partage. Je te souhaite une très bonne année pleine de créativité. A plus, Pascal. Merci Pascal. Pascal est là depuis des années à me laisser un commentaire à chaque nouvelle vidéo. Alors merci à toi, je te souhaite une très bonne année 2020 ainsi qu'à tes proches. Liva says, I love this painting so much. I hope one day I will have a house full of your paintings. I love your painting style so much and you are very talented. Keep going. Thank you, Liva. I hope you have a big castle with a lot of walls. Before leaving you, I would like to give you the opportunity to join my free newsletter, where you can receive all of my new YouTube videos, tips on painting and the artistic life, all directly to your inbox. You can find the link in the description below, or you can click on the picture here. And if you want to see more videos, you can click here. See you soon and Happy New Year!